What's up everybody? Welcome back to another daily schmaily video. You know what I'm saying? Know how I'm saying? I don't know what the title is, but by the end of this video, the Ruckus will be back together and ready for sale, as it is already up for sale. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you're slacking, bro. You're slacking. But this morning I went to my sister's house and I basically took the engine apart and freaking 4x4 the Integra, and that's how I got the Ruckus here with both new engines, seat, wheel, exhaust, and frame, and all that fun jazz. What I'm doing right now is just swapping over all the cool components that I have from the old motor onto the new one, and then putting it back together. It took me like 15 minutes to take the whole engine apart. And I know you guys don't really like the Ruckus content all that much, so I'm gonna try my best to just, you know, slim it down to like, you know, the key, I know like the highlights of putting the engine back together and stuff like that, so. Why do I feel like I wasted this entire day? Oh, that's right, because I did waste this entire day. I still have yet to attach the motor to the frame because being a one-man band sucks, dude. My mom's sleeping. She's the one that helped me get the Ruckus out of the car. I have to basically get this on the outside of this and then get this, the stretch kit in between this. And I can't do that because no one's controlling the top part of it. I don't want to separate the frame. I'm just gonna have to wait until my mom wakes up or Lord Lightskin actually comes over like he said he is. Which I doubt, but we'll see, I guess. Okay, I think he did call me, so he might come through. He might come through. But until then, man, that sucks. But I did get some packages in the mail today from all the stuff that my girl got me for a late Christmas present. So that's pretty cool. Look who showed up. That boy Michael. What's up, Mixel Media? Alright, so this is some coverage of Simply Clean that this will never be released because it's Michael, and Michael don't release his projects because light skin.
I don't take that long, bro.
Nah, bro. Michael, it was November 3 months ago, bro. Hold on, yo, November, December.
November last year, bro.
Facts, bro.
Alright, you wanna see it?
Yeah. Alright. Let's give these people a quick little preview of what's to come for this video. Wow, November 9th.
Look at that, bro.
You're cool, bro.
No, I'm trying to be cool like you.
I'm not cool yet.
There's a lot I gotta do, though.
This is just a rough draft.
Yeah, like this,
that right there?
Yeah, that, like I said, that blurry part is not gonna be there. It's just...
You're gonna fade it into the,
It's gonna be a different clip. That's okay. Why I did that. So, it's gonna have, like, some repeats on some parts, only because I'm trying to fill that in. So, just think of it as a blank clip. You remember that night, right?
That was a nice night, bro.
And I gotta fix the audio on some of the parts.
Wow. Marauder.
Fuck. Shit's been rough lately, bro. Man, what's been happening, bro? It's been a minute since this
Fix the lighting and shit.
It's just everything, bro. The car, the wife,
The bitches.
the house.
I like that.
Just tired of it all, bro. Like, it's not so much I can take, man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I feel you, bro. You know, I've been going through the same shit with...
I might have you do it right now, actually.
Fuck, man.
I gotta fix the lighting for this one.
Wow. That's all y'all get.
Goodbye.
Yeah, I really want to edit. I'm gonna start an Simply Clean video probably tonight.
That's actually a pretty good video, Michael. I only give you guys a, what, 2.5, 3 minute preview of it, but
3 minutes.
Yeah. But the Ruckus so far is off to a good start. It took me like legit 3.5 hours to get the motor bolted up to the frame because I had to do a lot of crap and I still forgot to tighten those mounts. But everything is ready to go. I just gotta go to Randy's house.
Get the carburetor.
Get the carburetor, and then he has to get more audio for my car. And then from there, come back home, putting everything up, and then, I don't know, it'll be done. Yep, off to Randy's house and see what's Randy been up to. I haven't seen Randy in a month. I haven't seen Randy in a month. That's the longest I have been without seeing Randy. I've seen Randy almost like every other day or every day for like the past 4 years. And then it's been like a
Now this
month.
man's
Just tell him how you feel without sounding like a girl for once. I miss you so much it hurts sometimes.
Huh?
yeah. What's up, bro?
Wow. Randy lives. Who that?
Next time.
What's up, man?
Oh, you mean him last time?
Nah, at Daytona? Nah.
I got 80 miles the suspension.
The suspension came?
Oh, okay. This is the bracket. Correct?
Uh-huh.
You know how the driver's passenger side and the mount go inside like a hole? It doesn't do that. This bracket sits on top. It's like this.
Oh, it don't go in the hole?
I don't want that.
No, cause it's gonna sit.
And then this goes like that. Or like that.
You should keep it like that, cause you can run nice hardware right there too. I keep it like that. I want to send them shits back.
I like the one Mike got.
But he got innovative.
They have this one too, like this
For Hassport?
Look, I'm gonna show you.
Oh.
I hit up Neo, so if
So
anything,
you gotta put it on here.
that's the one I got,
Uh-huh.
and that's the one I want.
Oh, cause you got that
I like
red.
that. I want that.
Oh.
This is kind of basic. This is one I thought I'd get. It's the same price.
Oh, so you got them from Neo, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you just gotta swap them up.
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta
okay.
swap that part only.
We got the BC coils ready to go, and then you got right-hand drive Kev's old setup.
Oh shit. Oh, this paint's a lot better than affordables. Holy shit.
It is a lot better. It's damn $5,000 worth of paint.
This one fixes the
Really?
Yeah, that shit was 4,800.
You got what's in above?
When after everything go back on, I gotta take it back to them.
So, after wasting what I like to say the entire day, which has been like 12 hours, literally about 12 hours, well, about like 10 hours, 11 hours, whatever. The Ruckus is done. It is completely wired up. I'm taking a CVT cover, like this cover, off that motor and putting on here tomorrow. I'm just lazy right now, but for the most part, the Ruckus is done. Like, it's done. Battery is just dead. I tried charging it, but this freaking Harbor Freight jump box is ass juice. So I'm charging my little quick jump start thing. So I have that thing ready in the morning, and so hopefully this thing will turn on and we can drive this thing. So yeah, man, I'll see you guys in the morning, bro. I'm tired. It's like 10 o'clock and I am exhausted. So I'll see you guys in the morning. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, and now we're just going to try and get the Ruckus started today. I already got it on the jump box because I was just gonna try to turn it over without filming, but I'm trying to be very confident that it'll start, but I don't know because I don't have coolant in there. But I don't see if it'll start. If it starts, then I just run out, go get some coolant. I probably got bad gas in there too, so yep. Let's see if this bad boy will start. Still doing that thing where like the main thing of the Ruckus is I know I needed a new carb. I just put that old carb on just to put it on, and it turns on and idles a little bit fine, but that carb sucks, so like it wouldn't, like when you rev it, it'll just shut off. So in case you're having an issue where like your Ruckus will turn on, but as soon as you give it gas, it'll just turn off or it have a rough idle, 40 times out of 3, it's your carb. So I have to get a new carb. Hopefully I can get one pretty soon so I can get this bad boy up for sale after I drive it, because I miss driving the Ruck. But aside from that, let's open up these packages I've been accumulating for the past couple of days. These are late Christmas presents from my boo. So yeah, she told me to pick it out and I didn't want to kill it with like expensive parts. So something I'm about to show you guys isn't like, top of the line, like brand deal, but it's better to get the job done until it's time for me to upgrade those parts anyway. So now, for this last box, she was like, I'm gonna get you one last gift and you're really gonna need it. And I was like, I have everything I want. So, I mean, I don't know what this is. I don't know what she got me. If my black cement 3s are in here, I promise I will propose. I promise, bro. I promise. Let's see. Get out of here. Get out of here. Nah. Yo. 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 In the back. Yo. If your girl ever gets you in Milwaukee, propose, bro. Super facts. Isn't she just the greatest? She got me all of this stuff for like my Christmas present, and I just can't be more thankful. Like, I obviously picked out these things, but this, bro, she definitely surprised me with this. Are you rich? Aside from all this stuff right here, I think this is my favorite gift because this is just, bro, I've always been wanting this one right here. I just buy like the $20 bunk ones. Here, I'll show you. This is the one that broke my last camera lens, so, cause it fell. Cause these freaking suction things are garbage. Look at them things. Those are like GoPro suction cup things. So I can't wait to put that to use, and then I got some lower control arms that we're going to be installing here very soon for the next video, and I gotta install these because the ones I have now on mine are like completely like done. Like, them things are garbo. So yeah, man, just want to say thank you again to the missus. So I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video of the Ruckus. I know it was boring because, well, it's a Ruckus, and I was actually hella bored doing, well, not really, I felt fun and stuff. But like, I was over it because it took me literally, I wasted a whole entire day. So instead of closing out this video the right way, I'm gonna get started on the next video so you guys can come back to the channel and be like, oh wow, Zosh, bro, nice video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and hit that like button if you thought this video was enjoyable, which maybe not. Dislike it if you want. I really don't care. But thank you guys for watching. Your time is much more appreciated than any like or comment or anything ever. So thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.